this is Dillon with CDB Vids, and today you've probably seen a video of this in the past with Cole. He put some aftermarket LEDs on his pickup. We found out those lights are really good, so I went and bought a pair myself, and we're going to put them on the 95 Chevy. This is the LED, if you remember. It's actually an auto drive, I believe, brand. We just picked these up at Walmart for like 19 bucks. They're pretty cheap and definitely worth the money. So today we're going to do another how-do of put the lights on, installing them, and show you kind of what it looks like. So to put the mounts in, it came with all the hardware, a bolt, lock nut, and a washer. I'm going to start by drilling a hole. I'm going to put mine straight through the bumper. Gonna drill a hole at the bumper. We decided to go just kind of inside of the headlights. Eventually we're going to put a bull bar cattle guard on this, so the lights will actually hook onto the guard. But we're just using a drill, and we're going to drill through this and see how it looks. Have to use a punch.
Yeah.
To get started.
Alright, Dillon's just marking the hole with a punch so the drill will start a little easier. See if he's got it good enough yet. I think that ought to work. Good. Oh, like butter. Look at that.
And we got the lights on. It was a 13mm wrench, if you were wondering. Drilled through there, got it in there. They're pretty tight, pretty easy to put in. Now all we're gonna have to do is wiring. And I ran this one kind of through the plastic, and I'll just show you kind of what the end of it looks like. It's just a little plug-in, and with the lights, there's a separate kit that you do. This is a real simple kit. Plug it into this one, plug into that one, connects to the battery, and then you run the switch into the dash. I bought an aftermarket switch. We were just at AutoZone looking around, and I seen a switch that I'd like, and put it kind of right here next to the cargo light, and we'll kind of show you that. So
Same shit, different day, right? Speaking of switches, I went ahead and got a new one for mine. I'll just show you guys quick what it looks like. So I used to have this ugly little thingy, didn't fit in here. Now I have this, doesn't fit in here yet, but I can do some cutting to make it work. And so on, get a little glowing light. And I still have my lights that work. Alright, back to Dillon's.
we got the lights all mounted up and wired. Just got to do a little finish touching, putting some wires back in place where they're stable, and we'll have to get a new switch at some point. The switch I bought is just a little too big for kind of the hole we put in there. So I will flip the lights on, and you guys can just take a look real quick.
Oh damn, those are bright. Yeah. Pull on another late one. It's 11:30 and I gotta be to work in 7 hours. Still have a half-hour drive home, so this is great. You're welcome, Dillon.
Yeah, it's any project with this girl seems to always take 3 hours longer than you expect, because she always runs into some hiccups. So don't buy a Chevy. Just kidding. There's
yeah, listen to him. Buy something like that Dodge over there. Yeah. Too dark, you can't see it. You've seen it. Buy that.
So, thanks for watching this video. If you got any comments, please leave them. Otherwise, like and subscribe.
Comment below if you think Dillon should buy a 6-inch lift for this thing. I say yes. Take care. Have a great day.